Hey everyone and welcome to IDX3. In this video I'll show you how to stream PC games on an Android device. You can also do this on other devices, so I'll put all the download links below. Before starting, make sure your both devices are connected to the same network. And now, let's get started. Download Apollo on your PC and follow the setup steps. You can find the download link below. Okay, now let's install it. I already have it installed, but let's go through the installation again. Now let's open it. When you launch it for the first time, you'll need to set up the username and password. After that, you'll get this screen. Now go to Applications. Click on blue edit icon for the desktop. And now you have to enable the virtual display option. After that, scroll all the way down and click on Save. Do the same for the Steam Big Picture. Now click on Pin. Pin pairing. And now let's move on the Android device. So if you install Moonlight on another device, you can find the link below. So your PC will show up here, and all you need to do is tap on it. Then enter the pin you received on your PC. You can also name your device. And now click on Send. Now find your device and click on Edit icon. Here check all the boxes. Enable virtual display and then click Save. And that's it. Now you can play around with the resolution and bitrate settings, set it the way works best for you and enjoy gaming. And now let me show you some gameplay. There is definitely some delay, but it's nothing compared to playing console on a TV.
Aves, Borak's base is in the Pike district. Find the back entrance, slice the terminal in his tower. Steal the file marked SK01. Good luck.
Who? Oh, wait, are you the one who hired me? Hello? Okay. Hey, Waka. Thanks for the help. You almost got me killed.
Guess Skorak still remembers me.
Just tell me how to get into the stronghold.
It's in the Pike District. The main entrance is next to that imp checkpoint at the city entrance. That place is full of opportunities for someone like you. But if you're on the Pike's bad side, they won't let you just walk in.
I'm sure I can handle it.
Streak. I'll win it all back by tomorrow.
Come back when we know we can trust you.
All right, I'm out of here.
That will show her.
Hey, you were right. They, won't let me in.
There's another way. The vent's around the corner nearby. But Kay, if they see you...
I know. It'd be bad.
Take it.
And that's it for this video. I hope you like it. If so, please like, subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye!